In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Clash Royale not loading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So the first fix is to simply restart the game. So after you open the app and you're playing for some time, fully close the app, tap on Recents and tap on Close All. This may restart your application and fix any glitches. Now hold on to the app for some time and tap on the I icon. I stands for app info. It will lead you to settings. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find storage option. Tap on the storage option. Now what you need to do is tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Delete. If this also doesn't solve the problem, then make sure that your app is up to date. For that, go to Play Store and search for Clash Royale. Go to search bar and search for Clash Royale. Tap on Clash Royale and make sure that the app is up to date. As you see, the app is already up to date here. If in your device it is not up to date, there will be an update icon. Make sure to tap on that and try opening the app and start playing smoothly.